All right, so we're going to go over how to wire up the custom Vland headlights on your BRZ GT86 FRS. Personal vehicle, daily driver is going to be a little dirty. So these headlights have RGB demonized as well as the custom daytime running lights. So here we have the Blue Ghost controller. We have the power step-down transformer, and we have the low voltage shutoff. Currently, it is just taken out of operation here. You have the option to have yours always in operation. It's simply going to be by inserting it into this power line here before the step-down transformer. So here we have starting from the battery, we have power also, and one is going to go to the Bluetooth controller for the demonized, and one's going to go to the starting here at the step-down transformer. Step-down transformer then goes to the Blue Ghost controller. You'll see very good grounds here. You're also able to put it on there, but this is a very good option. Also, this third wire is just for hello horns. You can disregard that. Inline fuse for both. Then coming on down. Coming out of the Blue Ghost controller, we have the two outputs which are going to run to either side. Mine runs along the crash bar underneath the bumper. And then we have the inputs. So here, there are a few options for the daytime running lights. You can, if you have like a BRZ, use this Vland output here. Or you have the option of the one coming out of the 8-pin plug here. I believe you can use that if you have a FRS. Typically, what our customers opt for is using an add-a-fuse. We provide this plug and the add-a-fuse, and then you simply plug it into here. We provide this plug. As you see, we're going to pause this and open it up. So right here, beside the 30 amp, there is an open fuse slot. You only need to add the two 10 amp plugs here, and they may be a little stiff. We used large adjustable pliers to gently force it and seat it all the way at the bottom. And you push it in, seated, and then that's how it works. So how to run the wire in? Simplest way, drill a hole, and then you are provided this white and red wire separate. All you need to do is insert the white wire and crimp it with a crimping tool such as this one. Once that is all done, simply put that back on and you're good to go. These are attached with short screws. This one is actually attached with double-sided tape, and same with this. This is the V1. We are now on to V2, and it will come with screw mounting holes for the low voltage shutoff. You can see here the Bluetooth controller for the demonized comes out, and it attaches to, we have a driver here. This runs along top, just because, and the other one is just zip tied into here. Turn signals are going to be provided with the same style plug on the yellow wire, and then you simply connect the output from the Ghost into the yellow wire coming out of the headlights. Simple, straightforward. On the other side, we do not need to use the white wire. You will only have to connect the yellow turn signals. As far as that goes, the last thing you would have to do, which should be a given, is attach the 8-pin plug to the OEM harness. One thing that should be mentioned is you will still have to adjust the height of the projectors, which is done with this adjustment right here. You will also need to adjust the side to side output. Up and down is adjusted by that. And in here is the same type of adjustment. You can see it. And that adjusts the side to side motion. These headlights have bi-LED projectors in them, so there is no external wiring coming out of the back of the projector area. If you opted to stay with the xenon, you will have to secure the ballast in a secure fashion. You can mount it through here. They do come with 2 mounting holes. You can mount it to that hole, that hole. Other side is a little more tight. You could knock that out. You could mount it sitting on top of here. The only catch is make sure, if you were to do it on these holes, that when you close the hood, that it doesn't hit the hood, because then that would dent your hood. That is not something we want. The world is your oyster so long as it is a secure place and not bouncing around while you are driving. Sorry for any autofocus issues that were going on through this video.